You guys want to hit McDonald's?
No, we want to go to Chipotle.
Chipotle!
Guys, you know Chipotle is expensive and Mama doesn't have that money right now.
Go now.
Go.
Alright, I'm fed up with this.
Come back here.
You listen up here.
Here are your choices. McDonald's, A&W, or Burger King.
We're going to the keg
The
right now.
keg. The keg.
Shh, if you don't, you're going to be...
I thought you guys said you wanted Chipotle.
Rich. Now we want the witch.
Fine. You know where we're going? If you guys aren't going to decide on McDonald's, Burger King, or A&W, you know where we're going to go? We're going to go to Whole Foods because it's healthy and you guys need salad.
No, God, please, no.
Nope. Okay, you guys made up your mind. We're going to Whole Foods. Did you just punch me in the nose?
No.
You know what? That's it. We are going to Whole Foods and you guys are going to sit down and put on your seatbelt right now.
No, you want a piece of me?
Sit back. And this is the last warning. All right, thank you. Okay, let's get this car started. What do you guys want to listen to? Dora or Diego?
I want to listen to Drake.
That is so inappropriate. Dora or Diego?
Dora, my favorite.
All right, Dora, here it is.
We're going 225 minutes. The car's gonna crash.
Wait, I go in the phone.